my name is Henry. In the last video, I did use the Eureka Power Speed. So today we'll do good double reach vacuum cleaners. So step on the lower the handle. It has brushless things pretty good. Also, we give it another video for another vacuum cleaner. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. As you saw when I vacuumed up here, the cord automatically pulled out. So, let's do take two. As you can see, just like the other good application, really outstanding cleaning performance. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for Daredevil Power Flex Pack. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, hit the like button, comment down below, and then I'll see you guys later.